So who's got some more headlines rolling out of the Oval Office as the reporters have entered. Eamon, what can you tell us?
Our Kayla Tausche is in the Oval. She's just reporting a substantial Phase 1 deal. I'm just seeing this for the first time that I'm reading it to you. Will be written over the next 3 weeks. Hope to conclude before a trip to Chile. Kayla is saying that there are 40 to 50 billion in total ag purchases here being mentioned in the Oval Office. So that's the detail we have right now. This is apparently what the president has just said as the reporters were being ushered in the room. They went in the room about 3:36. It's now 3:40. So in the first 2 or 3 minutes here, the president has put out a couple of details here, and we'll wait for some more as we get it, Wilfred.
Eamon, thanks so much. Stick with us. So let's discuss this through. We're at session highs, by the way. 517 points on the Dow was the session high. We're hovering at that level at the moment, 1.9%. All sectors higher, meaningful jump. And Eamon, just the other flash that's come out. The president says we have come to a substantial Phase 1 deal with China. Going back to our earlier discussion, whatever the precise subtext of that deal is, a deal is big progress, is it not?
Yeah, look, the market is going to like that headline, Wilfred. There's no question about it. Remember, the president had insisted that what he wanted was a big deal, a substantial deal. He did not want what they called the small deal. So now the way this is being described is a substantial Phase 1 deal. So, is that what was otherwise billed as a small deal or not? We're going to have to wait for a little bit more nuance. And as I say, I'm just looking at this as you're looking at it. And we don't have any additional facts right now. But a substantial Phase 1 deal seems to be an effort to do something in the interim without going as far as the full deal that the president had talked about at the outset of this trade war. Welcome.
Eamon, thank you very much. Lindsay, I know you're waiting for a tariff rollback or a delay, but if Secretary Ross is back and he holds the key to the Huawei licenses, as Kayla Tausche points out, does that give you any more hope for getting a little bit closer to something substantial?
I mean, that's a big ask.
Okay.
I think that there's just still so much uncertainty here. Even this announcement, you saw the market pop on the news, but it's come right back to where it was before the substantial Phase 1 headline came out here. And I think it's because we don't know what's going to happen. And as we know, things can change very rapidly over the weekend that we have to go through and into next week. Yes, I'm very hopeful that we're moving forward. But as far as really getting answers to the problems that started this whole conversation, which is IP theft and benefits to state-owned companies and things like that, I don't see us getting there, at least near term.